Hello, welcome to the third and final video for the Snakes and Ladders investigation. In the previous video we created this graph. I've now coloured it in red and labelled it cumulative probabilities. Quite a useful graph, but I'm going to suggest that there's an even more useful graph that we can plot. So far, if I move over to the spreadsheet view, I can see, say, after turn 5 there's a 34.77% probability that the game would have finished by then. But what I'd be more interested to know is what is the probability that the game actually finishes on turn 5. To work that out, all I need to do is subtract the previous cumulative frequency. So for example, in this cell, type equals L6 minus L5. I now know that the probability of finishing the game in turn 5 is about 13.7%. If I fill that up and fill it down, I'll get all of the probabilities of finishing on those particular turns. As you can see down the bottom here, it's extremely unlikely that you would finish, say, on turn 52 because the game's probably already finished. There's a cell up here that doesn't make any sense apparently, so I'm just going to delete it. You can see that it's most likely that the game will finish on turn 5. So very short games, as we've said before. Now if we want to plot those, don't forget we want to plot column K and column M now. We still want to keep column K as our X coordinates, so we'll select those and then hold down Control and select column M with all those probabilities in. Then right click, create polyline, same as before. Now I'm going to pause the video and label the graph and change it to colour again, and then you can see it down here. Let's zoom in and have a look. Now this is quite an interesting graph. As I said before, it looks like the most likely turn that you'll finish the game in is turn 5. If I type in the equation x equals 5 to the input bar, I can confirm that there. That is the case. Okay, so from this graph we can really tell how likely it is, or when our game is going to finish. It's very likely to finish here, somewhere down here, and so this gives us a very clear idea of the longevity of this game, and maybe help us redesign the game, change the game in different ways. Thank you.